Hello everyone, and good morning. Welcome back to our channel and the Daily Reflection. It's me again, Joseph, your host. Today is Friday again, and it is Friday of the 5th week of Lent. We are getting closer to the Holy Week. On Friday of the 5th week of Lent, the readings invite us to stay faithful when life feels unfair or frightening. Today, we are going to read the readings from the book of Jeremiah, Psalm 18, and finally, we read from the Gospel of John. Friday of the 5th week of Lent calls us to reflect on God's faithfulness, the unity of Jesus with the Father, and the courage to remain steadfast in faith. The readings show God's care for those who trust Him, Jesus' role in God's plan, and the importance of persevering during trials. These themes invite us to trust God more deeply and to live our faith with confidence. In the first reading for Friday of the 5th week of Lent, Jeremiah praises God for delivering the needy from harm. Despite the threats he faces, Jeremiah trusts that God will protect him and bring justice. His praise reminds us that God always cares for those who seek Him. How does Jeremiah's trust in God encourage you to rely on Him during difficult times? When we feel surrounded by challenges or fear, we can turn to God, just as Jeremiah did. God does not ignore the cries of those in need, but He works to uphold and strengthen them. Jeremiah's trust shows us how to rely on God's justice, even when our situation feels overwhelming. Friday of the 5th week of Lent invites us to reflect on God's faithfulness and care. Just as God delivered Jeremiah, He walks with us through our struggles. Trusting in His justice helps us to persevere with courage and hope. Now, let us take a look at the responsorial psalm from Psalm 18. Psalm 18 is a song of thanksgiving for deliverance from danger. The psalmist celebrates God's saving power, calling Him a rock, a fortress, and a deliverer. The psalm mirrors the recurring theme of God's steadfast care and protection for those who call upon Him. It captures the heart of Israel's faith. God listens and saves His people. Throughout the Psalms, this theme of rescue teaches trust and gratitude. Even in moments of fear or darkness, the faithful cry out to the Lord, confident that He will answer. On Friday of the 5th week of Lent, we join in this song of hope, knowing that God is our refuge. In the Gospel of John, chapter 10, verses 31 to 42, Jesus speaks about His unity with the Father. He explains that His works show this connection, and those who believe in Him also believe in the Father. This unity reveals the depth of Jesus' mission as part of God's plan for salvation. What does Jesus' unity with the Father teach you about faith in God's plan? When we place our faith in Jesus, we are trusting in God's purpose for us. Jesus' words remind us that He came to lead us back to the Father. Believing in Him and following His teachings bring us into a closer relationship with God. Friday of the 5th week of Lent encourages us to reflect on how Jesus' unity with the Father strengthens our faith. By trusting in Jesus, we share in the love and care that God has for all His people. This trust deepens our connection to God and His plan for our lives. Both the first reading and the Gospel for Friday of the 5th week of Lent show the challenges of staying faithful when faced with opposition. Jeremiah faces threats from those who reject His message, while Jesus encounters accusations from people who do not believe in Him. Both remain faithful to God and continue their mission. When have you faced opposition for your faith, and how did you respond? Faith does not always bring easy acceptance. Like Jeremiah and Jesus, we may face misunderstanding or rejection for what we believe. Their examples remind us to persevere and trust in God, even when others challenge or oppose us. How can you grow in trusting God's care and staying faithful through challenges? Friday of the 5th week of Lent invites us to consider how we stay faithful during trials. By relying on God's strength and focusing on His purpose, we can continue to live out our faith with courage. Challenges become opportunities to grow closer to God and show our trust in Him. The reflections for Friday of the 5th week of Lent remind us that God is always with us, even in challenging times. It's by trusting in His care, believing in Jesus, and staying faithful through difficulties. We grow closer to God and share in His mission. May we find strength in these readings as we strive to follow God each day. Now, friends, let us end our reflection today with a simple prayer. Dear Lord, You are our protector and guide. Help us to trust in Your care and to believe in Jesus' mission. Give us courage to stay faithful during challenges and to rely on your strength. We live with confidence in your love and share your peace with others. Amen. Thank you, friends, for joining me in today's daily reflection. I hope this reflection can be useful and helpful for you. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more faith-inspiring contents. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy as usual. See you next time, and God bless you always.